What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, as you can probably tell for the thumbnail, at the Infiniti Dealership, about to check out some Q50s, maybe a Q60. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, just decided to come here, take a look, and see what we got. So, come in here, see the Q60 over here, Q50 here. But they got the S Sport over here. So, not too interested in the looks, more interested in that here. Alright, so yeah, definitely got a lot more information than I was really expecting to. Definitely interesting. I know that I can afford a red Sport. I wasn't really even looking into the red Sport, so yeah. Shout out to that Ultima owner with the Maryland crab on the back. So those QX50s look good too. I might have to look into that for the wife here. But yeah, kind of looked around at the different trims and everything. Of course, the Lux is way more affordable than everything else. Actually, I'll go ahead and show you a few really quick. I actually did not look at the Q60s. I ain't really looked too much into those because I'm probably gonna go with the Q50. But Q60s are definitely clean, don't get me wrong. But yeah, they got quite a few. There's a couple that really caught my eye. The one that I really wanted, the one that was on paper, was this white red Sport. Only had 30,000 miles on it, but it's not on the lot. They're still clearing it right now. This one caught my eye because I definitely would like a white one, but this one is just a Sport. But I'm not a fan of the interior because this interior is the light interior, as you can see. So I do not want white with that light interior. I would prefer something, a white with that black. This one is clean too. This one is the red Sport. This one's a red Sport. This will probably be the spec that I'm going to look at now that I see that I can afford the red Sport. This will probably be the trim because this one has the black interior. And see the big brakes in the front. I do like this color as well for this red Sport, but I'm definitely going to shoot for the white. Even though I would probably still change the color up eventually with a wrap or something, I will rock the white for a while. Not interested in the Lux. This is another red Sport. Black is clean, but only when it's clean, if you know what I mean. That red though, that red Sport definitely stood out. That caught my eye as soon as we got on the lot. This one is just a Sport. I believe this one might be the Lux. And another red Sport. And we got the Lux. And this is not, this is a Q70? What did he call it? It's a different number, I know that. Yeah, Q70. G37. These things are huge. But they have a bunch of other cars over here that I didn't really pay too much attention to. Let's go this way. Actually looks like it's more interesting cars on the other side, but I saw the Tesla kind of caught my eye. Oh, that's why, because it's the Aston Martin side over here. But this is still part of the Infiniti side. As is. So yeah. Alright, well, I'm not gonna worry too much. Yeah, let's go ahead and look, because these are definitely interesting cars. As you can see. Oh, hold on. Pretty clean. I noticed these when I first came in, but then again, I was looking for specific cars when I first came in. Definitely clean. A ZL1. Look at that. So aggressive. I see so many Camaros, but none of them is aggressive as the ZL1. Sheesh. This vehicle is not for sale. Them QX55s look pretty good too. And this color, I really do like that color. Alright. Yeah, so some of you may not know, but we are in the process of trying to get a house, so I'm definitely not making a move on the car just yet. I can't do anything until we finish getting this house, so it's going to be a little bit before I actually do make the move on the car. So definitely sorry to clickbait y'all into this video, but definitely think this might be the move if I don't go with the new Z. Because yeah, I definitely enjoy it. I love the Q50, especially the Red Sports at 400 horsepower. Definitely a fan. But definitely let me know what you guys think about it. If you think I should do that or get the Q60, or if I should get something else. And if you think I should get something else, let me know what you guys think I should get. So I've had a few people say I should keep the Altima and then also just get like a 370 or a G37. So let me know what you guys think. But yeah, this is going to be a pretty short video. Let me go ahead and get ready to head out of here. I spent a little bit longer kind of talking with them and dealing with them than I had anticipated. But of course, no numbers or any, no official things were ran, so just kind of went over hypothetical numbers and things like that. But yeah, before we jump out of this one, I want to go ahead and say the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you may just be selected. Alright, and I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.